Here we go. 22 absolute. 3 blaster box PYT 13. Oops. There we go. Here's our 3 boxes. 66 cards per box. You get possible autos, mem cards in here. We're obviously looking for those, the booms and or the explosive. We're gonna have 3 purple parallels per box. You guys are gonna guess the player on the last purple parallel of the break for 20 in credit. Guess the player on the last purple parallel. This is 22 absolute. Box number 1. Box 2. And number 3. Guess the player on the last purple parallel for 20 in credit. Box number 3. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. All cards shipped, even the base vets. Kind of go through the base vets pretty quick. Got more. Sure, this is focused in here though. Waddle, Connor, Alexander, Allen, Henry, Bolton. Our rookies are Damian Pierce, Ty Chandler, Ajabo, Stargazing of Aaron Rodgers, Kid Porter card there. TJ Hawkinson, we got Gibson, Kirk, Surtain, Chubb, Moore. There's Aiden Hutchinson, Jermaine Johnson, Brian Robinson Jr. the second. We got our first purple, which is Cam Akers. Diamond drafts, draft diamonds, Andre Reed. We have Carson Wentz, Alvin Kamara, Javonte Williams, Sean Watson, Tua Tagovailoa, Deontay Johnson, Kyler Murray, Chad Muma, Chris Olave, Juan Brisker by storm, Jameson Williams. Good reporter card. Waddle, Connor, Alexander, Allen, Henry, Bolton, Wentz, Trayvon Walker rookie, Kyron Williams, Izukanama. Second purple is Justin Ross. Chiefs. Jones, Diggs, Tannehill, Mahomes, Lauren, Winston, Troy Anderson rookie, Christian Harris, Treylon Burks, Trey Lance was one of the purples, Drake London introductions, kid reporter card, last pack, box number 1. Alvin Kamara, Williams, Watson, Johnson, Tagovailoa, Murray. Our rookies are Jeremy Ruckert. Got a mem here. Roger McQuarrie, Cam Taylor Britt. Mem is Chris Olave. That is going to go to the Saints. Chris Olave mem. Box number 1, we got the last call of Zay Jones. Box 2. Herbert, Mixon, Mariota, Adams, Dobbins, Swift, Wilson, rookie Nakobe Dean, Bedekiti, Malik Willis, Aiden Hutchinson, kid reporter card, Williams, Burrow, Pitts, Bosa, Drew Lock, Jared Goff, Elijah Moore, Drake Jackson, Christian Watson, Don Haskins. Here's our first purple in this one, Rashad White, rookie. Robinson, Fields, Hurts, McCaffrey, Williams, Burrow, Batty, rookie, Marvin Leal, James Cook, purple Kadarius Toney, last call Travis Kelce, hit reporter card. We got one break left, guys. That is going to be our Target Mega, or sorry, Walmart Megas 21 Prism. Football coming up next, Trevor Lawrence. We had a few spots left. I don't know if they've sold yet. If anybody wants to grab spots, go through that link. Mooney, Smith, we got Anderson, Lockett, Case, Patterson. Our rookies are Jordan Davis, Bailey Zappi. Talking about Zappi. Ajay Sanders, stargazing Matthew Stafford. We got Pitts, Bosa, Locke, Goff, Moore, Lawrence, Mooney, and then we have our rookies. Booth Jr., Matt Corral, Deontay Wyatt, and Rogers Draft Diamonds Kid Reporter card. Last pack in box number 2. There we go. Jared Judy, Cooper, Knox, PK, Hawkinson, Gibson. We have Luis Seen, Pierre Strong Jr., Tyler Algier, purple Brandon Cooks, and by storm Chris Olave. Last box, guys. This should have our 3 purples in here. You guys are guessing the player on the last purple. Good luck to everybody. Got your guesses in. Devonta Smith, Robbie Anderson, Tyler Lockett, Jamar Chase, Cordero Patterson, Jerry Judy, Amari Cooper, Dawson Knox, DK Metcalf. Then we got James Cook, Jordan Davis, Bailey Zappi again, by storm Malik Willis. Good reporter card. We have DK, Hawkinson, Gibson, Kirk, Sertan, Chubb, Moore, Majai Sanders, Andrew Booth Jr., Matt Corral. First purple is Trey McBride. First purple, we got 4 packs left. We should have 2 more purples. Yeah, this has been quite a few Olaves, I believe. Hawkinson, Gibson, Kirk, Sertan, Chubb, Moore, Wyatt, Luis Seen, Pierre Strong, Marcus Mariota, purple number 2. Kenny Pickett on the introductions. There you go, Pittsburgh. 3 packs left. We should have 1 purple left. Good luck to everyone who got their guesses in on that last purple. There's Jalen Waddle, James Conner, Jair Alexander, Josh Allen, Derrick Henry, Nick Bolton, Carson Wentz, Tyler Algier, Daxton Hill, Breece Hall. Last call of Joe Hayden. 2 packs left. We got Waddle, Connor, Jair Alexander. A lot of the same order of cards here. Allen, Henry, Bolton, Wentz, Jerome Ford, Sauce Gardner, Logan Hall, Tyreek Hill on the Stargazing. Kid Reporter card, our last pack. Should have our last purple in it as well. We'll see here. If not, Mariota would be the guess if he's the last. Alvin Kamara, Javonte Williams, Deshaun Watson. We got Deontay Johnson, Tua, Murray, Delonte Taylor, Kenny Pickett, Jahan Dotson, and our purple is Devonta Adams. If anybody guessed Devonta Adams, you got 20 in credit. That is purple number 3. And then we have Leroy Kelly. Top load some of these. We'll do a recap, and then we're going to move on to our last break of the night, which is that 21 2 mega box break, 21 football megas, PYT 24. Those are the Prism Walmart megas coming up. If anybody wants to grab the spots in those last ones, do so now. If anybody will be breaking with us Monday, make sure you grab a spot in that Prism Hobby Box random team. Every spot you take, you'll also have an entry in to the random for the free spot in that break. Plus, you also have the opportunity of hitting a bounty. We will random off a number between a 1 and 99. And that will become our bounty number. And then throughout all the breaks, any of the numbered cards are that number we random, you win the bounty. If you don't win, it carries over. $50 each break. Starts off at 50, it goes to 100, 150, 200, so on and so forth, until someone hits that bounty. Then you get the money and credit, so you can use it for other store breaks. All right, here we go. We got Jameson Williams on the Buy Storm, Drake London introductions, Aiden Hutchinson introductions, Bailey Zappi, got Chris Olave. There's another Bailey Zappi. We're preparing for him taking over for Mac Jones. There's Malik Willis by Storm, Kenny Pickett introductions, Kenny Pickett rookie, Chris Olave on the mem card. All right, that does it for this one. Prism Walmart hangers are next. The Raiders are available if anybody wants to grab the Raiders in that one.